Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on solutions of algebraic and transcendental equations. I will explain one problem. Find a positive root of equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0 by using bisection method. Now the solution is given x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0, right? Let f of x equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Okay. Now take calci. First decimals fixing, right? Mod 5 times, press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix. Press 1 button. Now 0 to 9 decimals. How many decimals you require? 4 decimals. Enough. Right? So 0.4 zeros. Now type an equation x cube alpha x shift square. Then we get x cube minus 4 alpha x minus 9. Then we get equation x cube minus 4x minus 9. Then calci. First we have to verify opposite sides. Okay. Now starting value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Right. Now put x equal to 0. That equal to minus 9. So f of 0 minus 9 less than 0. Okay. Next calci. Put x equal to 1. Then minus 12. So f of 1 minus 12 less than 0. Okay. Right. Next calci x equal to 2. Then f of 2 minus 9. F of 2 minus 9 less than 0. Okay. Next. These are all same sides. This process is continued opposites. We get opposite sides. Okay. Right. Next. 0, 1, 2. Next. Calci. Put x equal to 3. Then the value of function is 6. Then f of 3 is equal to 6. So this is greater than 0. Okay. Here f of 2 less than 0. F of 3 greater than 0. Here there are opposite signs f of 2 and f of 3. So a root lies between 2 and 3. Here we observed a root lies between 0 and 3 or 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. But 3 is near to 2. So a root lies between 2 and 3. Right. Now f of 2 less than 0 and f of 3 greater than 0. Therefore, a root lies between 2 and 3. Okay. Now by bisection method, we take capital A is equal to 2, capital B equal to 3. Then formula of bisection method is x equal to A plus B by 2. Then x equal to 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay. That equal to 5 by 2. That equal to 2.5. Okay. Right. So now x equal to 2.5. This is the first approximation. Here we have to type in calci this formula also. See here. Save it, AC button. right? Next, alpha x, alpha this calci button is equal to, okay, open bracket left side open, alpha a, pink letter A, plus alpha b, then close it, divided by 2. This is the formula of bisection method. X equal to a plus b by 2. Okay. Now calc what is a? 2 is equal to what is b? 3 is equal to 2.5. Okay. Now right. Next one. Two, 3, 2.5. So here A, 2, B, 3, X, 2.5. Now table is number of approximations, capital A, that means negative values, right? Next, capital B, that means positive values. Next, formula x equal to a plus b by 2. Next, function f of x equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Next one, sine. Next one, sine. Now first approximation is a value 2, b value 3. So x equal to 2.5. Now substitute x value 2.5 in f of x, right? Now this is the formula of bisection method, and go back. This is the equation. Now put x equal to 2.5 in this equation. Now calc x equal to 2.5, that equal to minus 3.375. This is the negative value. So here f of x is negative value when we take x equal to 2.5. So substitute x value in negative a. So 2.5. This is b value same, that equal to. Now this is the second approximation. Now the formula of bisection method, go back. So we get formula calc a value. What is a value? 2.5. 2.5 is equal to what is b value? 3. Then 2.75. 2.75. Now put x equal to 2.75 in this function. Then this is the formula of bisection method. Go back, we get the equation. Put x equal to 2.75 in this equation. Then calc 2.75 is equal to 0.7969. 0.7969. This is positive value. So this is the positive value. So substitute x in positive in b. So 2.75. So a value same, 2.5. This is the third approximation. Okay. Right. Next go back. We get the formula of bisection method. Then calc. What is a? A value 2.5. That equal to what is b? 2.75. Then that equal to what is x value? 2.625. That equal to 2.625. Right. Now substitute x value in the function. Then calc x equal to 2.625. That equal to what is f of x? Minus 1.4121. This is negative value. So this is negative value. So substitute x in negative a. So then 2 point negative plus 2.625. So b value same value 2.75. This is the fourth approximation. So that equal to, now go back, then calculate what is a 2.625, that equal to what is b 2.75, 2.75, that equal to 2.6875. Okay, now substitute x equal to 2.6875 in the function. Go back, then calculate 2.6875, then minus 0.3391, minus 0.3391. So this is negative value. So substitute x value in a. So what is the value x value? 2.6875. B value same 2.75. This is fifth approximation. Okay, right. Now go back, calculate what is a 2.6875 is equal to what is b 2.75. So 2.7188, 2.7188. Okay, now substitute x in this equation, in this function, then 2.7188, 0.2209. This is positive value. This is positive value. So substitute x in b positive. So 2.7188. So a value same 2.6875. This is sixth approximation. Okay, now go back, we get the formula. Calculate what is a 2.6875 is equal to what is b 2.7188, that equal to 2.70, 2.70. Okay, now substitute x in the function, then calculate what is x 2.7032, then minus 0.0606. This is negative value. So substitute x in negative a. 2.7032. This is seventh approximation. B value same. Okay, right. Now go back formula. Calculate what is a 2.7032. Calculate what is b 2.7188. Then 2.7110. Okay, now substitute this value in this function, then 0.0806. This is positive. Okay, right. So here f of x is positive. So substitute x value in the positive. Right. Then 2.7110. Here a value say 2.7032. This is 8th approximation. Okay, right. Now go back to the formula. X equal to a plus b by 2. Calculate what is a 2.7032. That equal to what is b 2.7110. That equal to 2.7071. Substitute x in the f of x. Then calculate 0.0103. 0.0103. So this is positive. Okay, right. Next one. Next one, ninth approximation. Now here f of x is positive, so substitute x value in the positive values. So 2.7071. So what is a value? A value same. Eighth approximation 7032. Right. Now go back. We get the formula. Calculate what is a 2.7032 is equal to what is b? 2.7071. Then 2. That is equal to 2.705. Okay. Now go back. We get equation. Then substitute x value 2.7052. Then minus 0.0239. This is negative value. So this is negative value. So substitute x value in the negative values. 2.7052. B value same. 2.7071. That is equal to, now formula. Next calculate a value. 2.7052 is equal to b value 2.7071. Then 2.7062. Next we get equation. Substitute x equal to 2.7062. Then minus 0.0068. This is negative value. Now so substitute x in negative values. 2.7062. B value same. 2.7071. This is 11th approximation. Now go back and calculate what is a 2.7062. Calculate a value 2.7071. Then what is x? 2.7067. So substitute x in the function. Then 0.0022. This is positive value. Okay. Right. Next one. Right. Next one. So this is positive value. So substitute x in b. So 2.7067. What is a? 2.7062. This is 12th approximation. Now go back. We get formula. Calculate what is a? 2.7062. What is b? 2.7067. That equal to 2.7065. Right. Now substitute in x value in the function. Then minus 0.0014. Okay. Right. This is negative value. So almost we near to x. Here we observe 3 decimals. Here 2.706, 2.706, 2.706. Okay. Now next approximation here. F of x is negative value. So substitute x value in the negative values. In a 2.7065. This is 13 approximation. B value same. 7067. That equal to. Now go back the formula. Calculate a value 2.7065. That equal to 2.7067. That equal to 2.7066. Okay, substitute x value in the equation, then 0.0013. This is positive value. Okay, next. So f of x is positive, then substitute x value in the positive. 2.7066. This is put to the a value same 2.7065. So that equal to, now calc a value 2.7065, b value 2.7066, then 2.7066. So then substitute in the equation, then calc is equal to 0.0004. This is positive. Okay, right. Now here observe here, so here observe 13th and 14th approximation. 13th and 14th approximations are the same. 13th approximation is 2.7066. 14th approximation is 2.7066. Okay, here f of x is 0.4304, up to approximately 0, near to 0. Okay, so hence the root is 2.7066. Okay, right. Hence the root is 2.7066. Okay, right. Thank you.